Hello guys, let me know if you can hear me well, please. Hello. Let me see. Okay, this is cool. I think you can hear me clearly. Let's change that image because today is not Q&A. Today we're going to talk about a change that the Stripe Connect had, and it's very important. If you are using Stripe Connect, you have to change that, the thing that I'm going to show you today. Also, I'm going to explain you how to use the delivery zones by Dropdown. Okay, this is a very cool feature that you can use. It's already there. It's free. Don't you worry. It's already there, and you can use it to allow your customers to use the drop down feature, and I will show you how it works and everything. You can save a few bucks of Google Maps API key with this feature, so I think a few of you might love it. Okay. A bit hot here. Let's see how this sounds. I think you can hear me well, right? If you're here, do not forget to type in the chat, please. If you want me to lower my voice or something, let me know, please. I will pop up this. Okay. Who's here with me? I see 3-4 people connected, but no one is chatting. Write something in the chat if you are here with me. We are starting this lesson in 1 minute. Don't you worry. No one in the chat. Okay, let's just get this started. Let's just start with the Stripe Connect situation that we have right now. Okay. Okay. Let me share my screen. Okay. Right now, I'm inside the Stripe Connect article that is linked in the description. If you have the Stripe Connect power up activated, you will have to do a little change in your Stripe Connect account. Okay. If you don't know, Stripe Connect is a payment gateway that allows you to split the payment, the money, between your super admin and your business owner. Okay, so if you want to just automatically do, like, send the commission to your business owner, you can do it this way, and it's very easy. You use Stripe for this, and take a little. This is how to connect it. So give it a try. I will I will I will recommend it. The new change is right here in the 2.1 uh, uh, step. This is the new thing that you have to configure. Okay, you have to enable this 08 auth for standard accounts. This is a change that you will see it now. It wasn't there before. It is a brand new change that you will have to check out. Okay. If you don't do this configuration, it will show on a screen like this. So if you still seeing this, you will have to just go back in the steps and see what's happening. Okay. As you can see right here, it is very clear, and you can take a deeper look in the Stripe in the article that I linked in the description. Also, I forgot. If you have any questions, something to tell me, here is the YouTube chat. If it is not related to today's topic, I will answer it at the end. And if I am not the right person to answer your question, I will channel you to the one who will. Okay. You can start typing anything right now. I can see the chat is totally empty. Okay, this is what I want to talk to you about Stripe Connect. Now let's jump into delivery zone by Dropdown. If you want to activate that delivery zone, I will explain what it is first, and then I'm going to show you how to set it up and how to put it in your builder and everything. Okay. Rob, how are you, Rob? Welcome. You made it. Very cool. Let's explain everyone else, okay? With every step that is needed. If I'm missing something, please correct me, Rob. You are already an expert in ordering, so I trust you. Okay, let's go. As you can see, this is the way a delivery zone by Dropdown looks. When your customer gets in your website, like, as default, you will have the delivery bar by search address, which means that the customer is going to click on a search bar, and then he will put his address or her address and everything, and something like this, and it will show like more advanced stuff. However, if you don't want to give your customers like confusing stuff, all you have to do is put something like this. Also, you will be saving a few Google Maps API calls, so you will save a bit of money. Okay, that's very important. Also, this is the way this looks. You have a city, then you have a neighborhood. You assign stores. I will explain this as we go. But if we put that neighborhood, it will show all the stores that are inside this neighborhood, made selected by you in the ordering editor. Okay. Now that we have that covered, I will jump into our very cool and amazing demo of Ordering University. I don't remember how we left it. Okay, very cool. It's clear. Well, this is not arranged properly, but we can work with this. As you can see, we have already enabled this. However, I will show you how to enable it in your builder. Remember, if you don't have uh, if you don't have the access to your builder, ask for them in with our support team, create a ticket, and we will help you out. This works for ordering app and ordering website. Okay, what we're going to do now is set up the ordering website, and then I'm going to show you how to do the same for your ordering apps. Okay, let's go in the ordering website builder setup. First, because I know I'm going to do a change, I will upgrade the version of my website right away. Okay, that's no problem. Now, to activate the drop down, I'll have to go here. You may have this activated by default because your website is going to show the search bar that I explained it and everything that you already have. So when this is enabled, all that you have to do is disable this. Click. It says here, disable to use alternative search mode by Dropdown, and you have the article here. Okay, now that we have disabled this, I will update my website, then I have to build it. Okay, let's go and build the website right here, build it. It'll take a few minutes. Rob, by the way, Rob, did you have any issues with this configuration, or it is very straightforward? Talk to me about it. Question. We got a question from Karim. On the customer, how can I get a landing page that shows login, sign up, oh, we're going to leave that one at the end, Karim, okay? Just give me a couple of minutes and I will answer it, but we are going to focus first on the topic. Thank you. A couple of questions. So I noticed I have to redo all my delivery zones. Okay. Let's see, before we have to wait for this to build. Okay, this building. Now let's go in our website demo. I am gonna log in as a Supreme. Oh yeah, an update. This works, and I am now as a Supreme. What is your question, Rob? I couldn't understand. Okay, I'm going to configure a few zones. Please take a look. What you have to do is go in admin area, click more. Sorry. Click more. Then I'm going to go in countries and cities. Here you can create cities, and you can create, excuse me, zones drop down options, which are the options that are going to show in your home page when you have this extension selected. Okay, I'm going to add a new one, Austin Center. Then this is going to show when the customer selects United States and Austin, and then I'm going to add San Francisco Bridge or something like that. I'm going to click on add, then United States, and then San Francisco. Okay, as we go, this is very straightforward. If the customer selects San Francisco as city, it will show San Francisco Bridge. If the customer selects New York as city, it will show everything related to New York. Okay, that is very straightforward, and you just have to change the things here, the configurations here. Okay, now I have to get in my store, let's select the the coolest one, McDonald's. And here in delivery zones, when you put a delivery zone, this changes. Okay, this changes. So what you have to do is, this is going to be drop down. The business address is the one you have in business info, and here you change the city and the drop down. If the customer selects this drop down, New York downtown, this business will show. Okay, so let's create a new one. Let's create one for Austin, like this. Then we're going to say Austin and Austin Center. When the customer selects this business will show. And also we're going to create one for San Francisco. So we don't leave it behind. San Francisco Bridge. Okay, add this. And let's configure another store, food store. What do we have here? Well, this one from computers store. Let's the New York delivery zone. Okay, add this New York, then downtown, normal downtown, or if I want to put it in both, I can just click this and add it here. And I'm going to also add it in Austin. Very good music there. Austin Center, and that's it. We have configured 2 stores now with the drop down menu. As you saw, we have a few more that the drop down menu is going to show for us. For example, right now let's select Austin, which is the one that is new, and the Austin Center. This is going to show the 2 stores that we just configured. Okay, so this way your customers will see whatever you want, whichever stores you want to show to them according to the neighborhood and the city. San Francisco Bridge, it's going to show one. However, if we go, let's say New York, the downtown, it shows a few more. Radicals, if we get inside the Radicals store delivery zones, we can see that New York downtown is enabled here. So this is the other way that you can show your customers to the way they can find businesses according to their address. Instead of typing the full address and all that, you can do something like this. Also, you will be saving a few bucks in the Google Maps API key. If you finish the order, because you don't have the very exact address of the customer, at checkout you will have to enable here the delivery fields. Let me show you what are those. I have this enabled in the ordering website demo. When you enable these checkout fields, address fields, when you enable this at the end and in the pop-up that is showing in your when you have the address by search, the bar, you enable these options. Okay, so for example, if we check out in this demo, we're going to see the more options that you can ask for the customers right here. Oh, I didn't save that. Wait. Where's this? Okay, here the customer, when he adds the special address notes and zip code if needed, or internal number if they are in a department or something, this will show in the order that you are getting in your orders manager, so you can manage it properly and just deliver the order the right way. Okay, this is the way to set up delivery zones in the website. In the ordering app, let's do the same that we just did. We're going to uncheck this. We're going to update the newest configuration. I'm going to build the one in the browser so we can check it out together. This is going to take a few minutes. Let's see. Rob, I'm wondering how some pricing works. How some pricing works if it is the same. However, you don't have to draw a polygon or a circle, Rob. If the customer selects that delivery, that drop down option, that's the charge that he's going to get. Okay. Okay, now the app is built. I will jump into your question right away. Just let me show you how it looks on the app. Okay, it will show like this, which is just the same format in your app. Then find business. Everything that you have already set up in your editor is going to show here. So it's the same. It's exactly the same, but now you have it on your devices. Okay, that's it. This is how to configure delivery zones by Dropdown, how to activate it from in the builder, how to set it up in your editor. I hope you like it. Now let's jump into the questions we have in the chat. Okay, let's see. Who was the last one? Oh, sorry. Give me 1 second. Okay, Karim. Okay. Okay. Quick question related to this topic to go live. Do I just need to switch sandbox to no for Stripe Connect and Stripe? Anything else? Nope. Yeah, that is the way you should go live with this payment method. However, you have to bear in mind also that the credentials are correct, the IDs, and I highly recommend you to do some testing. Okay, every time, every new change that you are going to do, because when it goes live, you have to be sure that everything is going to be working perfectly. Okay, as Rob says, yeah, take off sandbox and go live just like that. Karim said thanks, Bobby. Okay, I think there's something there. I don't know. Tiago, hello Mauricio, greetings from Brazil. Hello Tiago, how are you? Is there a way that is there any way I can add business types, for example car dealership? Yeah, there are two ways to get more business types. You can get an extension called, a power up called multi-business types. I will send you the link in the chat. And multi you can find it I will send you this link, and you can find it business. Okay, here is unlimited business types. Okay, this is the one you're looking for. This is one way that you will be able to add more than 4 business types, because currently you have 4 business types. If you need more, this is the way you have to get this power up. If you only want to show 4, but you want to change one of them, all that you have to do is change the language variable that you have in your language manager, and that's it. You will have to edit the text that is showing, and that's it. It will be showing in the front end as car dealership. Okay, I will send you this link. click on all and search for businesses, or go directly to where is this? Marketing and sales. Okay, let me know what you think, Thiago. Okay, Thiago, here is the link. Okay, next one, let's see. Rob, Bobby, you're Bobby. Do you like Bobby or not? Is there a way to set up these drop down fields without running in this mode? I have 15 sounds to set up. That's awesome. Okay, two questions. Rob, currently this is the only way. What I would recommend to you is that you teach this to your business owners, because your business has to be scalable. Scalable. What is the word I'm looking for? Scalability. It has to have scalability, because later on, if you have 1,000, you will be modifying this for 1,000 people. I wouldn't recommend that. I recommend you can give them this course, this lesson, or you can create your own and teach them. It takes 2 minutes to put a delivery zone. So this is the only current way, yes. But I would recommend you to teach your business owners how to give more value to their business that way. I mean, they have to learn. It's not scalable that way. Can I change the select neighborhood city in the language? Yeah, that is a variable. Go for it, Rob. For Stripe, make sure your credentials are entered perfect, or Stripe will shut down the account. Yeah, correct. What Rob says about the Stripe is very, very, very important, because Stripe might block your account. Okay, make sure you follow all the guides. We have lessons in ordering, we have the live chat for support, we have ticket creation if you have any question. So make sure that you get it properly the first time. Thiago, okay, great, thanks. Thank you, Thiago, for being here. David Lee, welcome, David. Hi, man. What's up? How possible to place order for one courier boat for food delivery and order from groceries? I mean, in checkout, there should be, let's say, pizza and pasta from Papa Jonah and some grocery product from Walmart. So all those would... Okay, you want to have something like, if your marketplace provides multiple categories for businesses, if the customer wants to jump from one business to another, everything gets added to your cart. Doesn't matter where the product is getting purchased from. Is that what you mean? If is that what you mean, you require custom work. Because currently we allow you to... David, request a quote right here, David. Currently, if you... Yeah, I read it. That's what I'm asking, David. So if you go back to your business listing and you select another business that you weren't ordering from, I will show you. It's better that way. See? Check this out, David. This is how it works currently, okay? If you need something else, it'll be custom work. Let me show you. If I go, let's say, I'm ordering a burger, burger, hamburger. Let's say, how many are we? 7. This is cool. Here, the system is already saving things in my cart. Wait, I have to log in. Customer Okay, now the system is already saving products in my cart. If I go here, oh, it got. Let me order the hamburgers one more time. Click 7. That's it. If I go home, this is still like that. If I go here, that the car cleans up. Check this out. If I am here, then I want to order something else. The cart clears up. Okay, check out something like that. It won't show the other products that you want to get from the other store. It only shows from one store. If you need something different, it'll require a bit of custom work. Okay, let me know what you think. That's a very cool idea, but I think it'll be kind of messy, you know, like you will have to split the orders, or how will that work in the administrator management flow of orders. I think you have already planned that, so submit the quote and we will give you a time and price for it. For sure. What are we thinking, guys? Do you have any more questions? I wanted one courier to bring all products. Yeah, I understand. Like the delivery guy. Nope. Currently, uh, mm, yes, with the advanced logistics, what will happen is if the delivery guy it's closer to all those 5 6 orders, the system will assign the orders to that driver. Sorry, I went to sneeze. Excuse me. So what I would recommend you is to take a look at the advanced logistics and give it a try. So advanced logistics will, uh, according to the range and distance of your drivers between orders, if the driver can accept up to 5 orders, if the 5 orders are in the same route the driver is delivering at the time, uh, it will work perfectly, because it will assign for that specific driver the 5 orders and he will deliver in time and everything. What is advanced logistics? If you don't know, advanced logistics, I will send you the link so you can take a deeper look at it. Okay, David. Yeah. Any other questions, guys? What are you thinking? Okay. Any other questions, or can we go in the weekend? This Friday. I don't know if you saw the video of Friday night and sun and then it's very cool. It's very cool. So if you don't have any other question, now is the time. I will give you 2 more minutes. What are we thinking, guys? What are we thinking? Thank you very much for the support, everyone. We are over 620 now. This certain university is getting some success, so I love it. Oh, come on, Rob. You have to write them up. Tell City or Cortana to remind you. Or someone. Like, hey, write this, and give them a pad and a pencil. Now is the time. This is your time for ask for questions and answers. You're welcome, Rob. Thank you. Thank you very much for always being here and being so helpful to everyone. that's very that's very important for the ordering community. Okay, guys, I think there are no more questions. We're going to wrap today's lesson up. If there's any questions that you might have later on, do not forget that you can send me an email to Mauricio at ordering.co. Oh, wait, we have one question. Wait. Let's go back. Deep State, welcome, Deep. Is it possible to have the lowest delivery price show on the home page when the customer log in? Example, Zone 2. Currently, the system will show the price, the lower price, if he is in the delivery zone. It won't. It won't. Okay, let me read again. Zone 1, $5. Inside of the higher price of Zone 2, $10. No, the price doesn't change as the order continues. It reminds the first one that the system give the customer. So yeah, if you need something like this, remember that you can submit the quote request. Okay, don't forget about it. It is free, so you get a price and you know how much and how long it'll take. So I highly recommend you to submit one of those. Instead, okay, no, it's the same. Deep. It reminds the first delivery zone that it was shown. Okay, submit the quote. We'll give you a price and time and everything. Okay, now I think that's it. Okay, guys, I will see you Monday. Monday we're going to talk about, well, it'll be a surprise, but I will see you Monday here. Do not forget to subscribe so you don't miss any live lesson that we have. As Rob, please write all of your questions that you gather among the weekend, and on Monday I will make sure to answer all of them, or at least I try my best. Okay, if you have any question, send me an email or submit a ticket or go in live chat, or we have a lot of ways to help you guys. The point here is for you to launch. We're here for you. We believe in your business. So see you Monday. Have a great day. Be safe. Have a very good weekend. And see ya on Monday. Ciao. Thank you all for being here. Bye.